To kwa duogo anena gwenge mago makaluo koni kaunti ma Kisumu kwang'iyo wechego ma opod duoko nikech mor ma kon gi koni opod dhi nyime ni e kaunti ma Kisumu skunde kaka Kisumu School kata ma yande ong'ere kaka Kisumu Boys gin achiel kuom skundego mabende koro timo maber ahinya e kaunti ma Kisumu. Jopuonjre mago kata kaluwore gi japuonj maduong' kanyo jopuonje ariyo mane nitiere kod April e kind moko mathoth ahinya mano omiyo gibedo kanyo kod main grade makare. Mudasa Academy bende ma en achiel kuom skunde mantiere e kaunti ma libamba ma Vihiga bende manitie e Kisumu County bende noyudo duoko makare ahinya kane gimin mar 8.9 ma en medruok kopim gi mahiga mokadho.
We thank God that we've been able to improve from last year's mean score, and now we have a mean score of 8.9. And I really thank the teachers led by the principal, and they've done a great job. That's why we've had consistency. Every year we've had very good results.
I'm Katike Daniela Ndata, and I scored a B+. What drove me to get the grade is most of all my teachers. First of all, they really helped us both spiritually and academically. We've been praying to God all the time. God was always first, and we've been revising thoroughly in each and every exam we've been doing, and I'd like to say thank you to God and to my teachers.
For one, two of our top candidates have managed to score grade A plane. That is John Ricky, who has scored an A plane of 82 points, and we have Lame Kugembo, who has scored an A plane of 81 points. Those are the students that we knew who are going to perform very, very well. The results that have come, we had 421